How often do you service or charge your fleet batteries? 12%. Only when issues arise. That should be 0%. We shouldn't be waiting for issues to arrive. When the vehicle is being serviced, okay, that's all fine and dandy, but the vehicle is only going to be serviced for as long as the oil change takes, or as long as it takes to change the brakes. So sometimes that's not enough.
Yeah.
Again,
Yeah.
you might need a full day of charging to get those batteries back up to 100% state of charge. Monthly, I like monthly. That's a good number. 16%, based on mileage or usage. Again, I would link that back to when the vehicle is being serviced, because I think a lot of the vehicles are going to be serviced based on mileage, and then seasonally. So if seasonally means every 3 months, again, I think that's a decent time for him to give your batteries.
Especially when you're talking about lead acid batteries. Lead acid batteries want to be charged. They don't operate in a partial state of charge. And any time a fleet operator gets an opportunity, whether it comes in for a PM or brakes or whatever it might be, getting that charger over there and getting that voltage up will never hurt that battery. The battery actually needs that.